Need Microsoft PowerPoint shortcuts at your fingertips? Here's how to boost your productivity in 3 steps with Logi Options Plus. If you spend hours in PowerPoint creating and arranging slides, formatting content, running slideshows, and formatting objects, you're constantly breaking focus with menu clicks and toolbars. Traditional keyboard shortcuts require multiple key combinations, slowing down your presentation workflow and interrupting your creative momentum. Here's the good news. There's a faster way. Step 1, download Options Plus from Logitech's website. Step 2, launch the app and head directly to the Logi Marketplace. Step 3, search for Microsoft PowerPoint and then click Install on the PowerPoint plugin. Once installed, all your essential PowerPoint shortcuts are now available on your Actions ring, a customizable digital overlay triggered from your supported Logitech mouse or keyboard. With one click, you can create and arrange slides, format content, and run slideshows, streamlining your presentations. The Actions ring reduces toolbar clicks compared to traditional menu navigation, keeping you in your presentation flow. Whether you're creating training materials, building pitch presentations, or managing multi-slide workflows, this will save you time. To personalize your Actions ring, watch our full Actions ring customization guide, and hit that subscribe button for more Logitech productivity hacks.